Amazon offers numerous ways for creators, entrepreneurs, and individuals to earn income. Whether you're a content creator, a product seller, or just looking to earn some extra money, here are the top ways to make money with Amazon. 1. Amazon Associates Affiliate Program. The Amazon Associates program allows you to earn commissions by promoting products. Here's how it works. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Create affiliate links to Amazon products on your blog, website, or social media. Earn commissions when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate links. Best for bloggers, influencers, YouTubers, and content creators. 2. Amazon Influencer Program. The Influencer Program is an extension of the Associates Program, designed for influencers with a large social media following. It lets you create your own Amazon storefront and recommend products. Sign up for the Influencer Program. Create a personalized storefront with curated product lists. Earn commissions when followers purchase items through your recommendations. Best for social media influencers, YouTubers, and content creators with a significant following. 3. Amazon FBA Fulfillment by Amazon. If you're interested in selling physical products, Amazon FBA is a great option. It allows you to sell your own products on Amazon, ship products to Amazon's warehouses where they handle storage, packaging, and shipping for you. Earn profits by selling to Amazon's global customer base. Best for entrepreneurs, product creators, and e-commerce sellers. 4. Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon lets you create and sell custom designed t-shirts and other merchandise without dealing with inventory or shipping. Amazon handles production and fulfillment. Upload your designs to Amazon. Set your price for each item. Earn royalties on each sale, based on the price and cost of production. Best for graphic designers, artists, and creative individuals. 5. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing KDP. Amazon KDP allows you to publish ebooks or paperbacks and sell them on Amazon. Write your book or ebook, self-publish it through KDP. Earn royalties on each sale. You can earn up to 70% on ebooks and a percentage on paperbacks. Best for authors, bloggers, and content creators who want to self-publish books. 6. Amazon Handmade. Amazon Handmade is a platform for artisans and crafters to sell their handmade goods. If you're skilled at creating handmade items like jewelry, home decor, or art, this could be for you. Apply to join Amazon Handmade. List your handmade products for sale on Amazon. Earn profits from selling unique, handcrafted items. Best for artisans, crafters, and creators of handmade goods. 7. Amazon Mechanical Turk. MTurk. MTurk is a crowdsourcing platform where you can complete small online tasks, like data entry, surveys, and more to earn money. Sign up for an MTurk account. Complete tasks and get paid for each one. Earn money based on the number and complexity of tasks you complete. Best for people looking for flexible, remote work opportunities. 8. Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex allows you to earn money by delivering packages for Amazon. You can create your own schedule and work as an independent contractor. Sign up for Amazon Flex. Deliver packages to Amazon customers using your vehicle. Earn hourly rates with flexible working hours. Best for individuals looking for part-time delivery work. 9. Sell your services on Amazon. Amazon also allows you to sell professional services through Amazon Home Services, which connects customers to service providers. List your services: cleaning, assembly, installation, etc. Get hired by customers in your area. Earn money based on the services you provide. Best for service professionals such as plumbers, electricians, and home improvement specialists. 10. Amazon Trade-in. You can trade in eligible items, such as electronics and books, to Amazon for gift cards. Send in your used items that qualify. Receive Amazon gift cards in exchange. Best for individuals looking to recycle and earn credit for used items. Final tips: optimize your efforts by combining multiple programs. For instance, if you're an influencer, you can use the Influencer Program and Merch by Amazon to create a comprehensive income stream. Consistency and promotion are key to maximizing earnings, especially if you're involved in the associates or influencer programs. Keep learning about new opportunities as Amazon continues to innovate and offer new ways to earn. By leveraging these opportunities, you can diversify your income streams and capitalize on Amazon's vast reach.